Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at one of the most exciting cars of 2024, the BMW M850i Grand Coupe. This is a car that combines luxury and performance in a way that's simply breathtaking. So, if you're looking for a car that will turn heads and make your heart race, then this is the one for you. Let's start with the design. The M850i Grand Coupe is a sleek and stylish car with a long, flowing profile and a wide stance. The front end is dominated by the large kidney grille and the swept-back headlights. The rear end is equally impressive, with the integrated diffuser and the LED taillights. But this car is not just about looks. It's also about performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.4-liter V8 turbo engine that produces 530 horsepower and 553 pounds-ft of torque. That's enough power to propel this car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. And the M850i Grand Coupe doesn't just go fast in a straight line. It also handles like a dream. The M Sport suspension and the M Sport brakes keep the car planted in the corners. And the M Servitronic steering provides precise and responsive feedback. But the M850i Grand Coupe is not just about performance. It's also about luxury. The interior is awash in high-quality materials, including leather, wood, and metal. The front seats are heated and ventilated, and the rear seats offer plenty of legroom and headroom. And when it comes to technology, the M850i Grand Coupe is loaded with features. It comes standard with the BMW Live Cockpit Professional Digital Instrument Cluster, a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, and a suite of driver assistance systems. But there's even more to this car than that. The M850i Grand Coupe is also available with a variety of optional features, including M Sport seats, an M Sport steering wheel, carbon fiber interior and exterior trim, a head-up display, a Harman Kardon sound system, and a panoramic glass roof. So, there you have it. The BMW 2024 M850i Grand Coupe is a car that has it all. It's stylish, powerful, luxurious, and technologically advanced. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, then this is the car for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.